Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add or create policies in Shopify, so let's get right into it. First thing you're going to want to do once you're on your admin page or your dashboard is you're going to go into the settings page in the bottom left. This will open up this page, and what you're going to want to do once you're here is scroll all the way down and click on policies. Once you're here, you can then, as you can see, manage the return rules and any written policies as well. The privacy policy is automated. The contact information is required, so let's just fill that out as an example. And as you can see, you can insert a template if you want. So I'll just go ahead and insert the template and click publish. And there you go, that has been set. For the shipping policy, let's click on that. As you can see, you can insert the paragraph yourself as well. And you can also do the same for the return and the refund policy. As you can see, some have templates, some don't, but you can use them where they're available. And that is basically all you need to do. As you can see, it's a very easy process. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.